Hi, my name is Amelia Beatty, and I'm on the board of directors for FAST USA. My son Orion has Angelman syndrome. One of the things I do for FAST is help to coordinate our FAST global teams. In an age where Angelman syndrome therapeutics are being developed on a global scale, FAST is working to make sure communities across the world are organized and prepared to participate in studies for potential therapeutics. FAST won't stop until meaningful therapeutics are available for all individuals living with Angelman syndrome globally, regardless of age or genotype. Now I will pass the mic over to our FAST global leaders who want to share with you what their communities are doing to help FAST achieve our common mission of curing Angelman syndrome.
Hi, my name's Megan Cross. I'm the chairperson for FAST Australia, and my youngest daughter Molly has Angelman syndrome. I'm recording here today from the Cairns Esplanade on the far northeastern coast of Australia, and out behind me is the Great Barrier Reef. I've been with FAST Australia for over 12 years now, and I'm so excited for what we're doing out here. Our focus remains on building the Global Angelman Syndrome Registry, but also establishing a Centre of Excellence, clinic network and natural history study. I'm so excited to see what we can do as a global force.
Hi, my name is Noah Firestone and I'm the chairperson of FAST Canada. My son is Zev and he has Angelman syndrome. I've been with FAST for about 5 years now. What I'm most proud of FAST Canada is that we've been able to co-fund a number of projects with FAST USA, and I'm really looking forward to and excited about more collaboration and cooperation between all the various international FAST organizations. I'm here at the Canadian National Museum of Nature.
Bonjour, Anthony Moisan, je suis président de FAST France depuis 2 ans. J'ai une petite fille, Héloïse, de 5 ans, qui a le syndrome d'Angelman. Je suis relativement fier de ce qu'a pu faire FAST France en termes d'éducation de la communauté, mais aussi de créer des passerelles entre les biotech et labos et les cliniciens en France. Et mon espoir pour l'année prochaine, c'est qu'on puisse être dans des essais cliniques sur le territoire français.
Ciao, sono Benedetta e rappresento FAST Italia nel mondo. Mio figlio si chiama Pierluigi, ha 9 anni e ha la sindrome di Angelman. Abbiamo creato FAST Italia 4 anni fa per creare una comunità che creda nella ricerca, voglia aiutare i ricercatori a trovare una cura per la sindrome di Angelman. Nell'ultimo anno siamo molto fieri perché siamo riusciti a realizzare una biobanca e a creare delle cellule che possono essere d'aiuto ai ricercatori nel mondo per capire meglio questa sindrome e trovare alla fine una cura. Ciao a tutti!
Hola, soy Stephanie Azud, presidenta de FAST LatAm. Soy la mamá de Michelle, de 11 años, con síndrome de Angelman, y hoy los saludo desde Bogotá. FAST LatAm tiene representación en 4 países: Argentina, Chile, Colombia y México, pero trabajaremos duro por toda la comunidad latinoamericana. FAST LatAm se dedicará a sentar las bases para futuros ensayos clínicos y además brindar toda la información importante y pertinente sobre el síndrome en español. Estamos muy emocionados para el pronto lanzamiento de nuestro estudio de historia natural y además de nuestra campaña de diagnóstico gratuita. Te invitamos a recorrer este camino hacia la cura juntos.
Hola, mi nombre es Domingo Delgado y soy el presidente de FAST España. Estoy aquí en Sevilla y mi hija Carla padece el síndrome de Angelman. He estado con FAST España desde su fundación este año y estoy muy orgulloso de todo lo que hemos podido conseguir en solo varios meses, como por ejemplo el inicio del estudio de historia natural y varias reuniones con farmacéuticas para poder traer ensayos clínicos a nuestro país. También me enorgullece mucho saber que nuestra comunidad está unida de cara a la investigación. Espero con ansias que el inicio de estos ensayos clínicos primero puedan llegar a nuestro país y que el estudio de historia natural sea una ayuda para que la cura sea una realidad. Hay algo que tengo muy claro en este país, que es que en FAST España que sabemos que tú eres la cura.
Hi there, my name is Tom Keogh and I'm the chairman of FAST UK. I'm standing here in London with St Paul's Cathedral in the background. I've been with FAST for 6 years and we have a daughter, Amelia, who has Angelman syndrome. At FAST, we've just started doing a natural history study in conjunction with Oxford University, and this is a thing that we are most proud of.
FAST USA has invested over $25 million to help bring potentially transformative therapeutics to people living with Angelman syndrome. This investment has served the Angelman community well, as there are more than 23 AS therapeutic programs in the pipeline for human clinical trials. 9 of these are gene therapy or gene modification-based programs funded to support drug development options for Angelman syndrome. In addition, there are more than 20 FAST-funded laboratories focused on understanding the etiology and identifying treatment options for Angelman syndrome. FAST is accelerating our roadmap to a cure in leaps and bounds. This means better days are coming for all individuals living with Angelman syndrome. As you can see, FAST Global plays an important role in our mission. We encourage you to get involved. An active and engaged community is key to achieving our mission. Contact your local FAST to see how you can be a part of moving the FAST mission forward.